This is an example of text formatting using Talon. My personal scripts have more formatters than this, but these are some common ones that I use, and I'll show you those and explain some of them as I go. Waker. Next. Smash Hello World. Dune. Next. Camel Hello World. Go down. Next. Kebab Hello World. Escape. Go down. Next. Snake Hello World. Go down. Next. Yelsnick Hello World. Escape. Enter. Say all caps. Colon. Next. Yeller Hello World. Talon Sleep. So those are some of the basic ones. There's another cool formatter that I borrowed from the NOSJ Talon community scripts, and I used the command word shrink to invoke it, but it's essentially a list of words that are mapped to their abbreviated form, and it's words that are often abbreviated in programming. For example, administrator becomes admin, and constant becomes const. And I'll do a couple of these now, just the ones I can think of off the top of my head. But I haven't memorized the full list. I just think when I get ready to use it, I'll just try it. I'll say shrink whatever, and more often than not, that word tends to be in the list. So that's a pretty cool feature. Talon Wake. Next, shrink constant. Next, shrink define. Next, shrink administrator. Next, Talon Sleep. I'm struggling to think of more of them off the top of my head, but that's a useful tool when you don't want to spell things and you would like an easier way to say them in English. This next group is useful for entering regular prose or like a comment in programming or other chat messages or other things that you would do on your system that aren't necessarily code. We'll look at a few of those. Talon Wake. Next, sentence this is a test. Period. Go down. Next, titled this is a test. Period. Go down. Next, junk. SpongeBob, this is definitely not a test. Sleeper.